Good afternoon, all are welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, Edra, Department of Information Technology. On today's session, in a practical session, we start the practical number 9 on course, that is subject data structure using C. Here, marks allocation for theory and practical part. Here, vision mission of department. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission, their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here, course outcomes. After the completion of this practical, you achieve which CO? Third CO, that is implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. Here, practical course outcome matrix. In that, on today's practical, which practical we will study? The ninth practical, that is perform insert and delete operations on a circular queue using array. This will be mapping with third CO. Okay. After this is a content page. Now we start the practical number 9, that is perform insert and delete operations on circular queue using array. And this theory part is already completed in a 34th lecture on theory part. In that concept of circular queue also explained and also program will be added on that lecture. On this practical only I am to showing how to using Turbo C++ software to run it. Okay. In that practical number 9, perform insert and delete operations on circular queue using array. This is a practical significance. After that, these are the POs. Which POs are achieve basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experience and practices, engineering tools and communication. After that, what is the program practical outcomes? Write a C program to perform insert and delete operations on circular queue using array. Okay. These are the minimum theoretical background. Is also completed in a lecture number 34 also. So I am program explain it. In that, write down the algorithm flow chart of program coding output. After that, complete the tables, result, conclusions, etc. Okay. After that, these are the practical related questions. In that, 3 questions are there that are write down. These are the theory part. Practical significance also. Exercise questions. In that also 3 questions are that are also solve it. These are the practical related questions. Okay. After that, there is the code. After that, the resource used table is completed. In practical related questions, 2 questions are extra more added. That explain circular queue and list the needs of circular queue. Exercise question, 3 questions are there that are homework for you. The program menu driven code for circular queue. These are the header files. These are the constant value defined, means max size is defined. These are the global variables. These are the function declaration. After this is the function call. After that, these are the function definition one by one. Okay. Variable declaration window, output window will be clear using clear screen. There the display the message for user purpose using printf function. Means menu will be displayed to that. While in the switch case used, in under the switch case, one by one functions are called. Okay, these are we are already known the concepts. These are also explained in a lecture number 34. That refer it. In that, enter the choice. Again, I am this practical session also explain this program. Okay, and second time. And in the third time is to show the using the Turbo C++. Okay, so clear all doubts for you. Okay, these are the in this statement printf and scanf through their choice will be entered using scanf function is the input function, printf is the output function. After the switch case 1 in under the call the function in queue. After the tq, after the display function, these are the function call. Default choice is case is executed. After that white main is close, means exit. After that these are the function definition one by one. Front in queue, in that first of all check the condition. This is the front and front is equal to rear plus 1, or to this both conditions mean front is equal to 0 and rear is max minus 1 means queue is full. Okay, message will be displayed. This condition is not true means obviously this condition is not true means obviously on that queue any one elements are there. So in that check the if front is equal to minus 1, then initialize the front is equal to 0, and in this condition through means how to increment the rear plus 1 modulus max. This through the rear will be incremented and the elements will be inserted using printf and scanf through. Okay, after the inserted position, front and rear positions will be displayed using that pointers front and rear. These are the in queue. After the dq means delete the elements on that queue. How will we first of all check that queue is empty or not? How will we check front is equal to minus 1, then queue is empty. Else it is condition is not true means obviously elements are there, so elements will be deleted using that front position through, which first front will, for example, first front is a 0, then queue of 0 will be deleted. Front is equal to 1, then queue of 1 will be deleted. Okay, and then again we check that front is equal to rear, then front and rear is initialized the minus 1. Okay, this front and rear is equal to not true, then initialize the front is equal to front plus 1 modulus max, means front will be incremented by this condition because this is the circular queue, and in this circular queue rear elements are connected to the front, means last node is connected with the first node. Okay, when your circular queue in that all elements are deleted means obviously front is equal to 0. Sorry, front and rear is the one position. That time again we again we assign the value front is equal to minus 1, rear is equal to minus 1, because in a circular queue are there, so again you inserted the element on that. If you want to any data will be inserted, then that will be possible in a circular queue because last position means rear position is connected to the first. So okay, after the deletion position, front and rear position value will be displayed using the front and rear pointers through. Display, how will we display? First of all, when we display that time to check the condition is empty or not. This how be possible? Rear is equal to minus 1. This condition is true, then empty will be displayed, means queue is empty. Otherwise, one by one element will be displayed. First of all, message is display elements in a queue. In that check I is equal to front. Okay, I not is equal to rear, then how will incremented I plus 1 modulus max, because it is a circular queue. So in that how will be incremented front, rear, pointer I plus 1 modulus max, and this condition is true, then one by one elements will be displayed. Okay, and this printf is displayed when in a queue only one elements are there. That time this using the printf the value will be displayed. Output, for example, this is the menu will be displayed. 10, 20, 30 will be added, 40 will be added, after that 50 will be added, then display 5 elements, 20 will be deleted, 60 again inserted. Okay, that's like the outputs are there. Using Turbo C++ that show it. Yeah. These are the header files. After that these are the variable, global variable, function, function, declaration, void main. These are the void main. After that function, variable declaration, clear screen, window will be clear, printf, display message. Okay, in the switch case is used. After that in the function call will be called in the cases again one by one function definition. In that check this condition, after that this condition is not true, Okay, this condition is true, then queue is full, is message display. This condition is not true, then else part will be executed. Next, in this printf through, position will be displayed on that pointer. That dq, that check condition is full, empty or not. After that, this condition will be executed. Okay, after the display, in the display message will be checked that first of all empty or not, otherwise number will be displayed. Okay, I am executing it. How will be execute? First of all, compile it. How will be compile? Compile, shortcut key is Alt F9. Your laptop or there, then you press first of all function key. After that, press Alt F9. Run it. Then also shortcut key Alt Control F9. Your laptop are there, then you press first of all function key. After that, Control F9. Will be menu will be displayed. Carefully see the output. In a circular queue, output is different, and in a linear queue, output is different. Okay, how will be possible? That check it in a using through this output. In a linear queue, only for front and rear. When all elements are deleted, then queue is in exit on that queue. But in a circular queue, when all elements are deleted, then automatic you want to insert the data in a queue. It is possible. Okay, how will be possible? That showing you, that I am showing to you. First of all, insert the element. Okay, you insert the element 10. Insert the element 20. Okay, front is rears are be incremented because in through rear element will be added. After that 30. After that 40. After that 50. Clear? 1 2 3 4. Okay, you show it how using menu third display. You delete the element front. Okay, again we possible delete the element. You show. Okay, again you insert the element is possible. For example, okay, show it. Okay, but is in a linear queue, then this 70 element is not added. For example, added because it is a circular queue, so your in a circular way their front and rear pointer will be moved. Again we deleted the elements. Okay, queue is empty. Okay, then in that automatically front is equal to -1 and rear will be is equal to -1 is indicate that. Okay, assign that. Again you inserted it. Insert is possible, and you 3 show input in a queue. It is a circular queue, so when your queue is empty, again means on the when queue is empty, message will be displayed, then automatically the rear and front will be in assigned to the -1. After that, when your new item will be inserted, then after that that front and rear pointer is incremented by 1, means front and rear is the assigned to the 0. Means you again your elements will be if you want to again your elements are added, deleted, that's all our operations are performed in the circular queue. Clear that? Exit. Okay, F2 is the shortcut key for saving the program. This is the resources table that completed it. So this is the practical related questions and exercise questions results. So the practical related questions, extra questions are there that are noted. Results, output of these practicals attached of the program. By conclusion, by this practical I am able to done insert and delete operations on a circular queue using array. Summary on by this practical session to complete the practical number 9. Homework for you, prepare your practical number 9 in a notebook. Okay, that are submitted within the deadline. Here stop on today's practical session. In this practical any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.